Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Na let you know iqoki luthengelwe yimi. Na lesiqotha saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Do you know that there's something very wrong with you?
No, there's nothing wrong with me.
Stop staring. Kamini, it's gonna be a long day if you keep staring at my boobs. It's gonna be a very long
It's
day.
a crime that I'm staring at your boobs. They are very nice though.
It's gonna be a long day.
They are beautiful. Never seen them like this. It's my first time. Wouldn't mind seeing them everything.
Shut up.
But they are very nice.
Thank you, Lams. Okay, you can stop staring at them now because we've got a show to shoot.
I see they are out there, so I have to admire.
I've got a Clivovo. We call it a Clivovo.
It's Clivovo, ne? We've got a nice Clivovo.
Thank you, Lams. But I do want a breast lift though. You know, someone said once you start doing surgery, you can't stop. Now I want to do another surgery.
It's like a tattoo. Once you start doing it,
Really? Oh, now I'm seeing other things. Now I want to do my nose. Now I want to do my boobs. Now I want to... The only thing I don't want to do though is a BBL. I don't care about a BBL.
PPL.
You don't know what a BBL is? Don't...
No, angiyazi.
Are you serious? It's when they take out the fat everywhere else and then they put it on your bum. And then you have a cute little hourglass.
Oh.
Nigga, what do you... Yeah.
They take your
That's
fat
why
on-
sometimes before you go to the surgery, they tell you to gain weight first.
So that they'll take that fat and...
Yes, on your ass. That's the one thing I don't give a shit about.
So kwabanye abantu mawenza kanje usukubamba lamafutha asuka la.
Yes. You're so annoying. Why are you this person? But I do want to do a breast lift though.
The breast lift.
I'll tell you why. I'll
Like
explain
what?
why after. No, they just lift your boobs. So remember I was skinny, ne?
Yeah.
So then I gained weight, right? So then the skin like around my boobs stretched out. So now that I'm losing weight again, it's like my boobs are falling a little.
Oh, so you have to.
Yes, now I want to get them back to where they were.
Aish. What are they?
I think it's 100.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you guys?
We are good and how are you?
I'm good. You guys are so willing. Listen, my name is Lisa, right?
Okay.
And I go around asking couples questions. Would you guys be okay with it? Or are you in a hurry?
Hayi asijahanga kakhulu mama kodwa khona la siyakhona nje.
Niyaphi san?
Hayi sijika la lokungeni la restaurant la.
Uh-huh. Okay, I'll just take 5 minutes, Nep. Can you come to my left, please?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Name?
Oh, igama nginomvula.
Nomvula and?
Umusa.
Musa.
Yeah.
Musa, how long have you known Nomvula? Actually, how long have you been together?
5 months.
5 months?
Yeah.
Still going strong?
Yeah.
Nomvula, is it official or you guys are still seeing each other?
It's official.
How long did it take to make it official? How long did it take him to ask you to be his girlfriend?
2 months.
2 months?
Yeah.
So for 2 months, you guys were on a talking stage and then you guys have been dating for 3 months?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you trust him?
Kakhulu sithanda sami ngiyamthemba.
Indoda, uthemba indoda.
Ngiyamethemba dad.
You put your trust on a nigga. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10. Nomvula. Awuzokhala Nomvula.
Hayi ngiyamethemba sithathe.
All right. And then how much do you trust Nomvula on a scale of 1 to 10?
Hayi since nje siqalile ukuthandana bengumuntu engimbona ngathi umuntu oright.
Eh.
Yeah. Gazi.
So yena she rated you a 10, wena umrate abani?
Angamrata 10 mama.
10 guys.
Yeah.
Asoz. Not in 2026. 10, are you sure?
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi lo.
And 3 months you guys have been together, you've never checked her phone or anything?
Yes, besingakazi sithe.
Uyafuna, do you want to check ish?
Eish,
Uzokhala. Uyafuna?
eish. Kunzinyana khona kodwa ke sesingakwenza sibona.
Because kaloku uNomvuyo, do you understand uNomvula is a stranger kuwe? Yes, you guys have been dating for 3 months. You understand?
Yeah.
You guys were on a talking stage for 2 and then you dated for like 3 months, but it's a strange. Nomvula, you're a stranger.
Nope.
It's a stranger, Nomvula. Am I lying?
Hayi akaqamba manga umuntu wami.
Kaloku, but she's a stranger. 5 months is not a lot. You've got cousins that you've known your whole life. Who's a stranger, Nomvula?
Yeah, yena khona lokungana ngilokungana. Kodwa ke cha. Mina ngingathi ngithi ngiyamthemba kodwa ke nami nje umuntu
Ufuna uvumelana nami xa uyoyika intombi yakho le?
hayi ngiyamthanda kakhulu. So kosekwenzekile mina bengithi umuntu oright o serious. Eh.
So awunofuna uyicheckishe le phone yakho.
Cha ngayichecka just ukwenza sure ukuthi ngempela kuyikho ngempela
Eke.
ngithembayo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Nomvula,
Yes, Tan.
would you want to check his phone?
Ngakujabulela. Lelo
Okay,
thuba.
because he's strange and you don't trust him yet.
I trust him, but
But
azange
if
ngacheck
you
ifone
trust-
yakhe
if you
before.
trust him,
So
why do you want to check his phone?
just for confirmation.
Confirmation.
Yeah.
Uba umuntu right.
Yes.
Guys, okay, what we actually do on this show there, we make couples switch phones, right? And basically, you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps. Do you
Okay.
get it?
Yes.
Would that be fine? Just for like 60 seconds.
For me now, it's fine.
It's fine. Why do you look scared?
Eish. Cha bengicabanga nje ukuthi eish.
Oh, it was fun.
Senza ngenye indlela.
Ngenye indlela?
Yeah.
Ithina enye indlela?
Eish. Angazi mhlambe ungasibuza something na umbuze something hayi ngokwefoni.
But you said you wanted to check her phone just 5 seconds ago. Oh, you wanted to check her phone, but afuna yakho check.
Hayi singayichecka akunankinga.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Kupani phone again, guys. Thank you, my scat. And Nomvula will start with yours, so please open it, ne? Can I have your phone, sir? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Hey, Sana. Okay, go to her WhatsApp, ne? Sorry, what name
Oh.
again?
Musa.
Musa, okay.
Mm.
Okay, type love you. Nguwe mos lo wena mos.
Hayi ukela mina.
Okay,
Yeah.
delete that. Type miss you. Okay. Bonando
Hayi.
again, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type Standwa. What does she call you?
Musa.
Oh, busy babe, Standwa.
Oh baby, I always a baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't see anything dodgy. Okay, delete that. Type babe, baby. That's
I
your
feel-
rumors, ne?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her. Okay.
I don't
Okay. I don't see anything dodgy. Do you? Ngathi manu freezer Musa. What's wrong?
Hayi bengicabanga ngizobona something wrong. Mhlawumbe date ngamanye amajita.
Oh, but guwe boss lo.
Hayi.
Okay, delete that. Type last night. Okay, I don't see anything dodgy.
Oh.
Delete that. Delete. Type morning after pill. There's nothing. Okay, delete. Type pregnant. Okay, I don't see anything. Clean usisi. Delete. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors. Yeah, sana Musa san. You women. Delete type ngiyabonga. Clean.
I clean.
Girl. Hi, Kesana. At least we can see that you're committed to your man. Musa, don't disappoint us. Open your phone. Fully phone, Musa. Oh, your man, Sana.
Yeah.
Sabaki. Thank you. Mane freezer, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Go to his WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type love you. Okay, that's you, Musa, at the top.
That's me. Mm-hmm.
Okay, delete that. Type. Does it type in Zulu or English or what? Or both?
Zulu.
Okay.
Sikhuluma isiZulu.
Okay. Ngikhumbulile.
It's me.
You, darling. Okay, delete. Type mama.
Mm-hmm. It's me.
Yeah. Delete that. Type ngaphandle. Ehe.
It's not me.
Musa. Sibona izinto apha.
Ibonana.
Buyolanda bani, who were you fetching?
Bengihlangabeza umzala wesikade ngumlandela.
Umzala. Go into the chat.
Unomzala onguzinhle?
Yeah, umzala ngumlandela.
How long has she been umzala? Your whole life? Okay, you met her 3 weeks ago.
Hayi, qala nje impilo yami yonke nje siphila naye umzala.
Hey. Sana ndiyiva.
Yo, angikholwa ke le ngibona la.
Go into media. Umzala lona bona wena Musa.
Umzala,
What is she sending you? What are you sending each other?
Umzala bekathi ngimhlangabeze so bengihlangabeze.
umhlangabeze empedeni?
Eish. Bengimhlangabezile then ukubuya sahlala shothi sahlala sonke nje ndawonye. Sa lokhu nje senza mhlawumbe ikhofi sabuza. Then after lokho kube sehamba. Yeah.
Oh, Musa. Nomvula, do you want to call uzinto?
Yeah, ngiyafuna ukumfonela.
Because asiva lithethwa nguMusa.
Ngiyazibona izithombe zasembedeni.
Like
Sendu kwenzakalani?
ithini sana lento?
Nisho ama selfie embedeni Musa nomzala?
Yeah, uzala ma. Uzala.
Musa, if we call umzala, is she gonna say the same thing?
Baba ngini khona kusolayo.
Yeah, ngiyasola. Hayibo. Nisho ukuthi izithombe phela ni half naked kulezi izithombe nomzala.
Njoba ngisho ukuthi umzala.
Yo, umzala kabambi sana. My goodness. Kumzala lo?
Yeah.
You, Swana. Oh my goodness. Iyasebenza uzinto.
Saduzinto.
Hayi ngathi uyasebenza uyasebenza. Uyasebenza. Ngoba maybe mhlawumbe ubusy.
Busy. Okay, it's finally ringing. Oh my God. Nina working girlfriends ina nina Musa?
Yeza?
Nina working girlfriends ina? I-girlfriend is busy.
Hayi.
Yathanda girls is independent.
Uyasebenza ubusy njoba ngisho ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe ubusy nje kakhona.
Oh, bethuna nandi yazi lento ndikuyo. Nomvula, do you work?
Yeah, ngiyasebenza.
Oh, uzinhle Thixo wami. Let me just try and direct call, ne? Because that was a WhatsApp call. Okay. Nomvula, if uZinhle turns out to be iLand uzawuthini?
Yo. Angazi ngizothini but
Hello, can I speak to Zinhle? Sorry, lovey. Hello? Tanana, senzana into zami. Hello? Am I speaking to Zinhle?
Zinhle speaking.
Zinhle, do you know Musa?
Sorry, you're cutting. I can't hear you clearly.
Do you know Musa?
Oh, yeah, I do know myself. Who's asking?
I'm Lisa, right? Musa is with his girlfriend here, and we went through his phone and we saw your name.
Yes, yes.
Come, was it, Daddy? How long has...
Zinhle, uyini noMusa uthi niyathandana?
He's my baby daddy.
Your baby daddy.
Yes.
Musa unomntana wena.
Why are you asking me?
Your baby daddy. Niqale nini ukuthandana noMusa?
We have 10 years.
10 years. So ngenza isilima Musa.
Uthi Musa ungumzala, you're his cousin.
No, we are actually married with this guy.
Married.
They're actually married.
Ushadile Musa.
I mean, traditionally married. So we're still organizing
Kasakhumsha umuntu wakho
how
Musa.
are we going to plan the white wedding still on.
Hayi.
So mina ngisilima Musa.
Talk to Musa nangu Musa.
Ubani wena? And why are you?
Ushadile Musa.
Yebo.
Ushadile. Why wengicela?
Ooh, Dlamini! Dlamini! Dlams!
Ngiyaxolisa mina.
I'm sorry.
Ngiyaxolisa.
Bithini plan kufuna isithembu Musa? What was the plan?
Hayi plan nami ngiyamthanda mama. Ize noma ngamtshelanga kodwa ke
Yona wethu.
bengithi nayo ngawuye umuntu wami kuleli.
I'm sorry. Dlamini. Lovey, please calm down, ne?
Ngiyaxolisa mama.
Please calm down, Nomvula. So, besithini plan buzomthini uNomvula if you were dating uLantuza for 10 years, uZinhle for 10 years?
Naye bengimenza mhlambe
Second wife.
umakoti wesibili.
Buzomthini.
Kodwa ke noma bengakamtsheni kodwa bengekho lula ukuthi ngimtshele ukuthi ngikanjani.
Ooh, Zinhle, my baby. Sorry, Nomvula, love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What do you want to do? Yamshi? I think Mshi.
Yabona into esifika
If he's already doing this in 5 months.
ngenzeka into kanje.
But uyafeba Musa nje na.
Yebo ngiphike kodwa ke manje mase kwenzeka kanje nasekunzima kakhulu manje.
Come closer. Yekile ukubetha.
Mesekunzima kakhulu mase kukanjena manje.
What do you
Sengizokwenza kanjani?
Kaloku you the man.
Kumele nehlukanisa noNomvula.
Hayi kaloku that's Nomvula's decision. Nomvula ufuna uthini?
Ay. Sizocabanga.
You're going to think about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Musa, how are you going to fix it?
Siyahlukana.
Niyazohlukana?
Ngendlela okwenzeka ngakhona.
But uthi uzoyicabanga wena nje uzoveza ukuthi bana niyahlukana.
Angikwazi nakazokucabanga ukuthi kona kuyikuphi.
Thina ungacinga intombi yakho wena.
Ayikho right lento lo. Wani ngihlukanisa ngoba ngihlukanisa nomuntu wami manje. Besihambela siyela la.
But kaloku Musa nguwe febayo njena.
Ngisayi lapho.
She's done ke uNomvula but.
Fonela umfazi wakho hambe naye.
You can go Musa ungahamba. Ungashiya. You can excuse us.
Hamba Musa, hamba. Ufuna ukukubona.
I'm sorry, lovey. Do you need transport?
Yes, please.
Okay. Just stand aside in it. Just stand by the tree. We'll take you home. Dlamzizi, where's my phone?
Why do you want
Oh, okay. No, keep it there. I just want to make sure it's here.
it's with
Dlamini.
2026?
Oh, I'm so tired already. I can't believe it's 2026 already.
No, what surprises me is that ushadile.
He's married. It's been 10 years. Oh, they've known each other for 10 years. Not that they've been married
And
for 10
uyambona
years.
umjida is mature vele. Might kushada.
He looks like a husband, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Yes.
Dlamini, I'm a bit nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't remember putting on deodorant today.
Eh?
I don't remember.
Yes, I'm just looking at it. Okay, okay. Okay, ask you sitting is.
No, if I'm from the back.
Eh?
If I'm from the...
No, people can come back, man. The smell comes from this side, so I empty.
Lams, don't lie. I didn't put on deodorant.
Ay, listen.
Oh, I did. Why are you being a troll?
If we forget the layers of makuleni,
Why are you being a troll, Lavini? You always want to make me look bad in front of the people. I genuinely forgot that I actually did. Never mind, guys. Never mind. I was worried.
Hey, we forget.
Oh, but you have to be a bitch first.
There's an issue 2026. Also, forget your terrain.
Let's close the show, Lavini.
Man, wait. Why if na sheshes very? At least in my kubege da or you being up beside team. Yeah. Why if na sheshes very sure?
Let's close the show.
Yes, I've made.
Can
you know, I've never seen them up close in person. They are. No, it's giving.
But I still want a breast lift.
You still wanna do the?
Did I explained, ne? That the skin around my boobs stretched out because I was fat.
Yes. So.
If you get me.
Yeah, I did get.
So just a little lift, nyana. Not a little one, but you get me.
Lift yakho nile ukuthi noma ungafakanga
Bra. Yeah.
Ilawa nje yenza kanje.
Yes.
Ufuna wona la.
Yeah. But I don't know if I'm going to do it after I have kids or before I have kids. But I'm not going to have kids anytime soon, so I think I might as well do it now. And then I'm going to enjoy my boobs for at least 3 or 4 years. You understand?
Do you think that is cut is Linde when?
Why do people try and put us under pressure to have
Not
kids?
putting you under, but I'm just asking. Do you think the time?
Yeah, but there are people who have kids at 38, 36. I have time.
Yabona if uba nomntwana early.
No, I don't want to have a child early.
Then.
No.
Ushaya nje by 3 early then bese uyavala. Then so ngashaya ama lift wakho uyazi ukuthi usuqedile.
No. I think also there's no one to have kids with.
Usho ukuthini? No, usho ukuthini? There's no one to have.
There's no one to have kids with. I'm not married, Mos.
So ufuna ukushada qala?
Yes, but if I reach but if I reach a certain age and I'm not married, I'll definitely have a child. But not if I'm not married, then I don't want a baby daddy. I do it the other way, the other route. You understand?
Yeah,
get a sperm donor. I don't want to have a baby daddy. It means then it must be a stranger. Yeah. If I reach a certain age and I'm not married.
I'll ask them to keep it.
I mean, leave it, it's fine. Leave it, it's fine. But you get me, ne?
No, I do get you.
No, I don't stress. I do want kids, but...
Not now.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I'm married, if I'm not at a certain age,
then
yeah. Anyway, guys, let's close.
Try spam donor, ne?
Yes. I definitely want to be a mother. Yeah. Okay, let's face the camera. Okay, guys, we're closing the show. All right, CMTV viewers, that is it from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow Lams. Oh, and also follow me on Facebook, guys. I'm on Facebook now. Just type Lisa Serame, you'll find me.
Instagram, welcome _Dlamini 88. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. On Facebook, it's welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Thank you, bye.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Na le tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Na le sikolo saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe stepmother.
Ngine khale bhlangana njana no kama.
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.